Alright, have you ever spent hours copying business names, phone numbers, websites, and emails from online directories one by one? If you're building lead lists for your agency, freelance business, or local marketing campaigns, you already know how time-consuming that process can be. The good news is that there's now a much smarter way to handle repetitive browser work, and today I'm going to show you how BrowserAgent can dramatically speed up your business research using directories like Yellow Pages. Instead of manually opening hundreds of pages, clicking through listings, and copying information into spreadsheets, BrowserAgent acts like an AI-powered browser assistant. You simply describe what you want to accomplish, and it opens its own cloud browser to perform many of those repetitive actions for you. You can even watch it work in real time while it searches, clicks, scrolls, and gathers information from publicly available business listings. Imagine you're looking for dentists in Miami, plumbers in Dallas, restaurants in Chicago, or real estate agencies in Los Angeles. Normally, this could take hours of repetitive work. With BrowserAgent, you can create a mission that tells the AI exactly what information you need, such as business names, websites, phone numbers, addresses, or other publicly available details. The AI then begins navigating the website, collecting the information, and organizing everything into a structured spreadsheet that is much easier to review. What makes BrowserAgent especially interesting is that it doesn't behave like a traditional scraper that relies entirely on fixed page structures. Instead, it uses a cloud-hosted browser to interact with websites much like a person would by clicking buttons, scrolling through pages, opening listings, and extracting the information you've requested. That flexibility can make it useful for browser-based tasks that often require manual navigation. Even better, BrowserAgent comes with ready-made mission templates, so if you've never built an automation before, you don't have to start from scratch. Simply choose a template, customize your search criteria, and launch the mission. Whether you're researching local businesses, preparing outreach campaigns, or gathering market intelligence, the process becomes much more efficient. Another feature I like is that BrowserAgent runs entirely in the cloud. That means once your mission starts, your own computer isn't tied up doing the work. You can continue working on client projects, attend meetings, or even close your laptop while BrowserAgent continues processing the task. When it's finished, your results are ready for you to review. If you're running a marketing agency or selling lead generation services, saving even a few hours every week can make a huge difference. Rather than spending your day collecting data manually, you can spend more time contacting prospects, improving your offers, and growing your business. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about focusing your energy on the work that creates value. BrowserAgent also supports scheduling, so recurring research tasks don't always need to be started manually. If you regularly monitor businesses, competitors, or market trends, you can automate those routine browser tasks and receive updated results on a schedule, helping you stay organized without repeating the same steps over and over. If you're tired of opening dozens of tabs, copying information into spreadsheets, and repeating the same browser actions every day, BrowserAgent offers an interesting way to simplify those workflows. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, marketer, or entrepreneur, having an AI assistant handle repetitive browser tasks can free up valuable time for more important work. If you'd like to learn more about BrowserAgent and see what else it can automate, check out the link in the description below. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos about AI tools, business automation, and productivity strategies. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.